Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to create account in Skype. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Skype. So the first thing you need to do when creating an account in Skype, you need a Microsoft account. But in this case, we don't have a Microsoft account because this is a new account because my other account already has a Microsoft what do you call this? Or I already have a Skype. So this video we're gonna start from fresh. We don't also have a Microsoft. But now we're going to teach you how to create also a Microsoft. When you create also a Microsoft, you will also, after creating your Microsoft in here in the Skype, you will also have a Skype account. I'll show you what I mean. So first thing you need to do is open up your browser, type in Skype, and then click on Open Skype in your browser. After clicking on Open Skype in your browser, you will need to sign in to Microsoft. But currently right now we don't have a Microsoft account, so we're gonna create one. After creating one, we need to put in our Gmail. There you go. And then click next. After clicking on next, we need to input a password. So right now I'm going to input a password, but I'm going to blur it so nobody sees. Okay. Now we're going to remove the show password. Now choose your own. And there you go. Next. Then click never. So we don't save a password. What's your name? So we're going to put it Nimbus. And let's put in Co. Then click on next. Then choose a birth date. Let's say January. Then let's choose 15 and 2004. How about 2001? There you go. And then it will send you a verification of your account in Nimbus. There you go. In my account. So I'm gonna check in my account. There you go. Code is we have a 6-digit code. It's 361744. And click on next. There you go. Now we're gonna solve a what do you call this, a like a puzzle thing, so it verifies that we are human. Or you can also do an audio, but we're gonna just solve the puzzle. As you can see, follow the direction of that. As you can see, the direction of that is going to a little bit towards the left, so we're gonna find over left. There we go. Then click submit, and we're gonna do another one. As you can see, it's pointing down, so we need to put the robot down. There you go. Then submit. Try again. That was not quite right. Oh no. Try it like there you go. Submit. And a little bit right. Submit. And this one like that. Yeah, I think it's like that. Submit. There you go, guys. Verification complete. Then here we are. It will automatically make us a Skype account. As you can see, signing into Skype. It's loading. And there you go. Click OK. There you go, guys. Now let's skip those. I'll continue. Yes, continue. There you go. You now have a Skype account here. And a quick tip for you guys, a little bit of tip. If you already have a Microsoft Edge, you can just click on continue with Google account. And after that, you will just need to input your password and then you're done. So there you go. If you already have a Microsoft account, just click on continue with Google account. And if you're having any problems with Skype, if it's not working, not seems to be working, try another browser like Opera or Microsoft Edge. If those doesn't work, I think you need to contact the Skype. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.